Okay guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix the screen resolution on PS4. So first you need to turn on your PS4 and connect it to your TV or monitor. Then after you have to go to setting. From the PS4 home screen, navigate to setting menu, it like gear icon. So then after you have to select sound and screen option. So then after inside sound and screen you have to select video output setting. Once you select that one, you have to choose resolution and you will be see a list of available resolutions supported by your TV or monitor. It could be example as 4080p, 720p, 1080 or up to 4K for PS Pro. Pick a appropriate resolution. If you want to PS4 to automatically detect the best resolution, select automatic option. Otherwise, select the resolution that matches your display native resolution. Usually 1080p for most TVs or 4K for PS4 Pro with 4K TV. And you can confirm the new resolution. The screen will go blank briefly as it applies the new resolution. A prompt will be appear asking if you can see the screen. Select yes to confirm or no to try a different resolution. If your edges are cut off on your TV, so once after you setting the resolution, go back to the setting, sound and screen again, select display area setting in this time. Then after use the controller directional pad to adjust the screen size to the image fits perfectly on your TV without cutting off edges. Then after press the X on your console to save the changes. This is how you can fix the screen resolution on PS4. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this.